Hi students, in previous class we discussed oxidation state and oxidation number. So in this class we are going to discuss redox reactions and types of redox reactions we are going to discuss. How many types of redox reactions we have? What is redox reactions? We are going to discuss in this class. So first of all, you know redox reactions. What are redox reactions? In a chemical reaction, both oxidation and reduction reactions simultaneously occur. Both oxidation and reduction reactions occur simultaneously. That is called redox reaction. Okay. In a chemical reaction, both oxidation and reduction, oxidation and reduction reactions simultaneously occur. Oxidation and reduction reactions occur simultaneously. Simultaneously means one by one, one after one. In a chemical reaction, both oxidation and reduction occur simultaneously. Oxidation and reduction reactions occur simultaneously. Oxidation and reduction reactions, you have to say, occur simultaneously is called redox reaction. Then you have to know first oxidation. Oxidation. In a chemical reaction, the species which increase in oxidation number. In a chemical reaction, the species which increase in oxidation number, which increase its oxidation number or oxidation state is called oxidation reaction. Next you have to know oxidizing agent or oxidant. Oxidizing agent or oxidant. See, in a chemical reaction, the species which increases the oxidation state of other species. In a chemical reaction, the species which increases the oxidation state of other species is called the species which increase oxidation number of other species. Oxidation number of other species. The species which increase oxidation number of other species is called oxidation number. So, oxidizing agent. Next you have to know reduction. The species which increase oxidation number is called oxidation. The species which decrease, the species which decrease in oxidation number, in oxidation number is called oxidation number is called which decrease oxidation number is called reduction. The species which decrease in oxidation number is called reduction. Next you have to know reducing agent. Reducing agent or reductant. Okay, the species which reduces oxidation number of other species is called reducing agent. The species which reduce oxidation number of other species is called reducing agent. Okay, this is redox reactions: oxidation, oxidizing agent; reduction, reducing agent. Okay, now you have to know types of redox reactions. Types of redox reactions. Types of redox reactions. Okay, see first one, combination. First one, combination reactions. In these redox reactions, by the combination of two or more molecules, in these reactions molecules are combined to form products. So all combustion reactions are example for combination redox reactions. For example, combination of molecules, combination reactions can be occur. For example, Mg plus O2 gives rise to MgO. Okay, so here oxidation state is a 0, here 0, here +2, here -2. So magnesium 0 to +2, what happened? Oxidation state increases. Oxidation state increases means increase oxidation number means oxidation reaction. Decrease oxidation number means reduction reaction. So it is oxidation reaction. Okay, and then oxygen to oxygen, 0 to -2, what happened? Decreases, means reduction reaction. Okay, then one more example. C plus O2, C plus O2 gives rise to CO2. So here oxidation state is 0, 0, here plus 4, here minus 2. Oxygen oxidation state is minus 2, carbon oxidation state is plus 4. See here, carbon to carbon, what happened? 0 to plus 4, oxidation. Oxidation. Okay. Next, oxygen to oxygen, what happened? A reduction. Okay. So this is a reduction, that is oxidation. It is nothing but a combination reactions. Next, second one, decomposition reactions. Decomposition reactions. Okay. Decomposition reactions are reverse to combination reactions. Here two molecules combining to form one molecule. Here one molecule can be dissociates, decomposes to give two or more molecules. This is nothing but a decomposition reaction. See here, example, KClO3 decomposes KCl plus O2. For balancing 2, 2, 3 I am taking. Okay. So here oxidation state of chlorine is plus 5. Here oxygen is minus 2. Okay. Here chlorine is minus 1. Here oxygen is 0. Okay. Here chlorine plus 5 to minus 1, what happened? Reduction. Reduction. Okay. Then oxygen minus 2 to 0, what happened? Minus 2 to 0 increases. So oxidation. Understand? So it is nothing but a decomposition reaction. One more example we will discuss. H2O2 decomposes H2O plus O2. If you take 2, then it is a balanced. Here oxidation state is a plus 1, here minus 2, minus 1. Peroxide na minus 1. So here plus 1 minus 2 0. So hydrogen oxidation state does not change. So you have to leave. Hydrogen oxidation state does not change. Leave. Now oxygen oxidation state. See here, minus 1 to minus 2, what happened? Reduction. Minus 1 to minus 1, what happened? Reduction. Okay. Then so minus 1 to 0, what happened? Minus 1 to 0, what happened? So it is not decomposition reaction. It is so here plus 1. So plus 1. Here minus 1 to 0, what happened? Minus 1 to 0 increases. So oxidation. So here Cl and Cl, oxygen, oxygen. Then we have to take oxygen to oxygen. So it is what happened? oxidation. Okay, so this is the way decomposition reactions can be discussed. Decomposition reactions can be discussed. CaCO3, if you take CaCO3, that is also CaCO3, CaO plus CO2, that is also. So these are decomposition reactions. H2O also, H2 plus O2. This is a disproportionation reaction. If you take H2O, you have to take H2O H2O, 2H2O gives rise to H2 plus O2. Okay, 2H2 plus O2. Here hydrogen oxidation number is +1, here -2, here hydrogen 0, here 0. So what happened? Hydrogen +1 to 0, what happened? Reduction. Reduction. Next oxygen. Oxygen -2 to 0, what happened? Oxidation. Oxidation. So here two atoms undergo oxidation and reduction, that is a decomposition reaction. Only one atom, that is a disproportionation, we are going to discuss. Okay, so this is a first one, second one. Next, it is a reverse of combination. It is a reverse of combination. Okay, it is reverse of combination. Next, third one, displacement reactions. Displacement reactions. In these reactions, one molecule can displace another molecule. So both undergoes oxidation and reduction. For example, CuSO4 plus zinc gives rise to zinc ZnSO4 plus Cu. Here copper displaces zinc displaces copper. So here its oxidation state is +2 0 +2 0. So here +2 to 0, what happened? Reduction. +2 to 0, what happened? Reduction. Okay. Then zinc to zinc, what happened? 0 to +2, oxidation. Okay, so it is a displacement reactions. Next, one more example. TiCl4 plus magnesium gives rise to MgCl2 plus Ti. Okay, here plus 4 0 plus 2 0, then titanium plus 4 to 0, what happened? Reduction. So magnesium 0 to plus 2, what happened? Oxidation. These two are examples for a displacement reaction. Next, disproportionation. Disproportionation reactions means one element undergoes both oxidation and reduction. One element undergoes oxidation and reduction. These reactions are called disproportionation reactions. Disproportionation reactions. See, one element undergoes both oxidation and reduction reactions is called disproportionation reactions. Example, Cl2 reacts with NaOH or NaOH reacts with Cl2, NaCl plus NaOCl plus H2. Okay, you have to balance this. You have to balance this. 2 NaOH, Na, Na. So Cl2, Cl, Cl. 2 oxygens, 2 hydrogens. Balance. See, here it is chlorine 0, here minus 1, here plus 1. See, chlorine to 0 to minus 1 reduction, same 0 to plus 1, 0 to plus 1 oxidation. So only chlorine undergoes both oxidation and reduction reactions. It is a disproportionation reduction reactions. One more example, H2O2 gives rise to 2H2O plus O2. If you take 2, here hydrogen is, oxygen is minus 1, here oxygen is minus 2, here 0. So oxygen to oxygen, minus 1 to minus 2 reduction, same oxygen to oxygen, minus 1 to 0 oxidation. So these are disproportionation reaction. Last one, fifth type, is nothing but a comproportionation reaction. Fifth one, last one, is nothing but a comproportionation reaction. Comproportionation reaction. It is the reaction reverse of disproportionation. Okay, it is a reverse of disproportionation. disproportionation. Example, AG plus 2 gives rise to 2AG plus. Two elements undergoes oxidation and reduction with one molecule. Two molecules undergoes oxidation and reduction with one molecule. Here one element undergoes oxidation and reduction with two molecules. Here two molecules undergoes oxidation and reduction with one molecule. See here, AG, here oxidation state is a 0, here plus 1, here plus 2. So 0 to plus 1, what happened? Oxidation. Oxidation. So plus 2 to plus 1, what happened? Reduction. This is very important for 2 marks. It is also very important for 2 marks. Okay, this is briefly types of redox reactions: oxidizing agent, reducing agent, oxidation, reduction, and types of redox reactions. Okay, going to leave.